If the value of the output is 1, but it is not of the type double, the output has the type logical. So if we will use the command whos here. So if you use the command whos, you can clearly see what is the type of the result. See here, the result comes under the category logical. Logical, logical means it's binary logic 0 or 1. Okay. Now the same logical variable we are going to use and see the task number 2. Now test whether pi is greater than 3, but this time assign the same thing to a variable name test. So test will be equal to pi greater than 3. And I'm going to display the value of test because I am very eager to know whether the answer is true or false. Pi is 3.14 and 3.14 is more than 3. So the answer should be true. So and true means it will be displaying it as 1. So we'll check the answer. We'll submit the answer here. Yes. So does the variable test exist? Yes, it exists in our program. Is test defined correctly? Yes. See the answer, it is 1. And we'll see the whos, we execute the whos command and see whether the test value is logical. Yes. See here, the test is going to be a variable which is belong to the logical data type. Logical means it is going to be binary 0 or 1. It can hold only 0 or 1. It can never hold any decimal values or integer values apart from 0 and 1. Please be very clear on that. Okay. Now see, for checking whether the two variables, value of two variables are same, we are going to use a double equal to symbol. The double equal to and single equal to are not same. Double equal to means I am performing a comparison. Single equal to means I am going to assign some value to a variable. So check whether pi is equal to 3.14 and assign the result to test2. So see here, test2 equal to pi double equal to 3.14. Does this expression make sense? Is it correct? How many of you say this will give error? How many of you say this will give correct answer? Please type in chat box whether this will give error or whether this will give correct answer. I want the answer in chat box. I got one answer to be correct. Or should I include brackets anywhere to make it even more sensible? Or this MATLAB will consider this to be correct? Correct answer. We will run and see. We cannot come to conclusion. We will run and see whether this is correct. Yes, absolutely correct. And if you want to have even more clarity, we can have a bracket here, but that is not required actually. Because MATLAB will decode the expressions very correctly. Even if you run this, you see, it will not throw any error because putting a bracket is going to make MATLAB understand things very clearly. And see here, I will once again use whos command here. So you can see the test2 is also a logical variable. And see, I have used single equal to and double equal to the same expression. And both are going to have difference. So double equal to I have used in the place where I'm going to compare the value of 3.14 with pi. And single equal to is used to assign the output of pi equal to 3.14 to the variable test2. Remember, single equal to is always assignment. It's always used for comparing the value of two variables. Comparing means it is not the magnitude. It is going to compare along with the sign. Okay. Assume if I'm going to declare a variable pi1. See, for example, I will just show you a simple example. So pi1 equal to minus pi. So pi1 will have minus 3.14 and this 3.14 I'm comparing. So if I run this section, the answer will be 0. Because it will consider the complete magnitude along with the sign. So don't think equal to means it will just check the magnitude. No. It will check the magnitude along with the sign also. So you have to be very, very careful when you're going to compare two variables using MATLAB.